everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can reset your mobile phone, Android mobile phone. If you are facing delay, or if your mobile phone is very slow and now you want to reset your mobile phone, then how you will do it? For that, just go to your mobile settings. If you have any mobile phone, any model, any variant, just go to your mobile phone settings, and in setting you will find this option search setting option. So click on this search option. Now search for reset. When you search reset, here you can see an option called erase all data factory reset. So simply click on this factory reset, and now here at the bottom option, fourth one, erase all data factory reset, you have to click on this. When you click on this, it will ask to confirm you are resetting your mobile phone. It will remove all the details, all the data in your mobile phone. So you have to just confirm, and your mobile phone will begin to reset. Or simply you can go and in search, you can search for factory reset. When you click on factory, here you can see an option called erase all data factory reset. So click on this one, and now erase all data factory reset, and your mobile phone will be reset.